In this video, we're going to solve a single inequality equation. We're going to graph the solution on a number line. We're going to write the solution in set builder notation, and we're going to write the solution in interval notation. A single inequality is one inequality equation. To solve for the variable, we'll be performing the same actions as if it were an equal symbol, with one exception. The exception being if you multiply or divide by a negative, then you're going to flip the inequality symbol. We'll see this happen as we work the problem. In order to get the x alone, we're going to go ahead and subtract 4 from both sides of the symbol. You're going to have now negative 2x less than 6. You're multiplying by negative 2, so you have to go ahead and divide by the negative 2 also on both sides of the symbol. Now, since I'm dividing by a negative 2, I've got that exception happening, and I will go ahead and circle the symbol. This way, I will remember when I get down to the next step that I have to go ahead and I have to flip that inequality symbol. We now have x, flipping the symbol, greater than negative 3, and that is our answer, x greater than negative 3. After we solve for the variable, we're going to display the solution on a number line. So go ahead and draw your line. Notice the right side, the line continues forever. We label this as infinity, and the symbol looks like an 8 laying on its side. On the left side of the line, we're going to label this as negative infinity. Now you're going to label and enter the 0 on the line. This is our basic number line. Now you're going to look at the solution, and you're going to take whatever number is there and label that on the line. So you're going to now enter the number negative 3. You may want to enter other numbers on the line. You do not need to do this. You want your solution number to stand out and be noticeable on the line. Now go ahead and shade the area where x is greater than negative 3. Now I have a blue arrow there. You can go ahead with your pencil and shade it any way you like, x being greater than negative 3. We need to show whether the number negative 3 is included in the solution. The way to show this is by either having a circle that's filled in, which shows you include the value, or to have a circle which is empty, which does not include the value. I memorize which circle to use by association. I look at the circle that's empty, and I think to myself, well, it's empty. There's no number in there, so therefore it will not include the value. The circle that's shaded in, there's something inside, so therefore the number is included inside. And now we have the negative 3, and it is not included as a solution. So you're going to go ahead and draw the empty circle where the negative 3 is. A second way to show whether the negative 3 is included in the solution or not is by using brackets or by using parentheses. Now again, memory by association. The brackets look like equal signs, so therefore you would think that the value is included. The parentheses is not equal, so therefore the number would not be included. So in this case, we have a negative 3 that's not included, so you would go ahead and use the parentheses. Now, why did I put the parentheses looking this way and not the other backwards? Because it looks like a bowl, and think of it as your line is coming out from your bowl and it's included inside that bowl. You have now graphed the solution of the inequality on a number line. We're now going to write the solution in set builder notation. This is expressed as the set of all x such that x is greater than negative 3. Now notice the x is greater than negative 3 is the solution answer. Your answer would look like this. Another way of expressing the solution is to show it in interval notation. In interval notation, you look at the number line, you look at the left and the right numbers that are in the solution. The leftmost number here is -3. The rightmost number in the solution is actually the infinity. Now we have to show whether or not the -3 is in the solution. And we have the choice of brackets or parentheses. Since it's not in the solution, we use the parentheses, and infinity is always written with the parentheses. This would be your answer. This is the end of this video.